A man was swept away in Mithi River in Mumbai near Powai. The local residents there tried to rescue him. The man was washed away by the raging currents of the Mithi River. The heavy rains in the area there in Mumbai have resulted in the Mithi River bursting its banks. These are in fact shocking visuals there coming in from Mumbai, from near Powai, where a man was caught in the swollen Mithi River. You can see he was holding on to a rope, desperate to save his life. Locals there also tried their best to pull him out, but the force of the water clearly too strong, and in a matter of a few seconds, he was swept away by the gushing river. These visuals, viewers, that you're watching on your screens show the sheer danger that floodwaters pose and how helpless people can really be when nature turns so ferocious. These are not just visuals, this is a man's life hanging by a thread. Look closely. There, in fact, he clings to a rope. People around him, they're shouting, trying to help him out, stretching out their hands, desperate to save him, and yet the river shows no mercy. This is the Mithi River in spate, swollen, violent, unstoppable. Imagine the fear in that man's eyes, viewers. The sheer helplessness of the locals who could only watch as the current pulled him away. This is the danger of venturing near flooded rivers and drains. This is what the authorities mean when they say do not play with nature. One slip, one miscalculation, and the water shows its deadly force. It is not just water, it is a torrent that can sweep away anything in its path. And think about this, Mumbai faces this every year. Rains lash the city, waterlogging cripples lives, and the same Mithi River now has turned into, in fact, a monster. People there are warned, advisories are issued, but when it comes to saving lives, the system still caught unprepared. This is not just nature's fury, it is also about how little has been done to safeguard people living around these danger zones. The question is, how many such tragedies will it take before we see long-term solutions? Because for the people caught in these waters, there is no tomorrow, there is no second chance. The visuals that you're watching on your screens, they clearly show nature's fury. Man there swept away in Mithi River in Mumbai near Powai. Locals tried their best to rescue him, tried to help him. The man was washed away by the raging currents of the Mithi River. The heavy rains in the area have resulted in the Mithi River bursting its banks. This is in fact a tragedy that is coming to light from Mumbai. This is perhaps the most chilling reminder of how dangerous this rain fury clearly has become, particularly in Mumbai. You can see here in Mumbai's Powai, a man clinging on, locals desperately trying to pull him out. But in fact, they're also holding on to rope. There is a man there, the locals there, trying to, in fact, throw a rope. A rope was thrown. People gathered, but the force of the Mithi River was simply just too strong, and in a matter of seconds, he was swept away. And this is not just about one man. This is about how unpredictable, how unforgiving nature has become in our cities. The Mithi River has once again spilled over, its currents turning lethal, leaving no time for people to react. Local residents there put their own lives at risk to save him, but the waters were simply unstoppable. As we watch the visual right on our screens, it's a reminder of how every minute counts in these situations, how critical civic preparedness, rescue response and early warnings really are. And above all, it also shows how vulnerable ordinary citizens are when our rivers and drains meant to carry water safely away turn into death traps. While this is the situation in Mithi River, let me now show you another shocking visual that has come to light from Thane, where a car gets submerged in flood. In fact, there flooded Thane underpass. Locals tried to rescue the trapped passenger. These are in fact visuals from Thane. Take a look at these terrifying visuals, viewers. A car They're submerged, trapped passengers inside, panic written all over their faces, doing everything there, in fact, to come out of this death trap. And in fact, their locals also trying to help these people who are in fact chest deep in water, doing everything they can to save their lives before it is too late. These are the moments that remind us when nature unleashes its fury, it is the ordinary citizens who become the first responders. Strangers risking their own safety to pull out those stuck inside.